Techie cater to both professional photographers and everyday users. This review will explore the key features, design improvements, camera capabilities, performance enhancements, and battery life of this remarkable device. Design and display. The iPhone 16 Pro Max continues Apple's tradition of sleek and elegant design. It boasts a titanium frame, offering superior durability while maintaining a lightweight feel. The ceramic shield front cover and textured matte glass back present a premium touch. Available in 4 vibrant colors, the design appeals to a wide array of aesthetics. The device features a stunning 6.9-inch ProMotion XDR display with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, making every swipe and scroll smooth and fluid. The display delivers remarkable brightness and color accuracy, perfect for both media consumption and professional use. The ultra-narrow bezels contribute to an immersive viewing experience without expanding the phone's overall size. Camera and photography. The camera system in the iPhone 16 Pro Max sees a substantial upgrade. Equipped with a new 48MP main sensor, it captures sharper images even in low-light conditions. The improved night mode further enhances photos taken in dark environments by reducing noise and increasing clarity. The telephoto lens now offers up to 10x optical zoom, bringing distant subjects into clear focus with stunning sharpness. The ultra-wide lens has been upgraded to minimize distortion and maintain edge-to-edge clarity. Additionally, the photonic engine, powered by AI, optimizes every shot in real time, ensuring professional quality photographs with minimal effort. Performance and battery life. Powered by the A19 Bionic chip, the iPhone 16 Pro Max offers unprecedented speed and efficiency. The chip supports advanced computational photography and provides a seamless multitasking experience, even with demanding apps. Coupled with 5G connectivity, users experience blazing fast downloads and streaming. Battery life sees improvement thanks to the more energy-efficient chip and larger battery capacity. Users can expect all-day performance with normal usage. The enhanced fast charging capability allows a 50% charge in just 20 minutes, keeping the device ready for use throughout the day. Conclusion. The iPhone 16 Pro Max represents the pinnacle of Apple's innovation. Its combination of design elegance, superior photography capabilities, industry-leading performance, and robust battery life make it a compelling choice for anyone seeking a premium smartphone experience. Whether for professional or personal use, this device sets a new standard for what a smart device should be, solidifying Apple's place as a leader in mobile technology.